Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC, a luxury SUV that continues to redefine sophistication, performance, and technology. The GLC has always been a cornerstone in Mercedes' lineup, and the 2026 model takes that legacy even further with bold design upgrades, enhanced powertrains, and next-generation comfort features that make it one of the most refined vehicles in its class. At first glance, the 2026 GLC showcases a completely modernized design language. The exterior is sleeker, with sculpted body lines and a dynamic front fascia that instantly demands attention. The new digital LED headlights blend seamlessly into the wider front grille, featuring a three-dimensional star pattern that glows with elegance. The aerodynamic improvements are not just for looks, they enhance fuel efficiency and reduce road noise, giving this SUV a perfect balance of beauty and function. From the side, the flowing silhouette and chrome accents deliver that signature Mercedes luxury vibe, while the rear end, with its slim LED taillights and sporty dual exhaust setup, completes the premium look. Step inside, and the GLC immediately reminds you why Mercedes-Benz is the master of interior craftsmanship. The cabin feels like a first-class lounge wrapped in high-quality leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting that offers 64 customizable colors. The centerpiece is the massive 11.9-inch vertically oriented touchscreen paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver display. The latest BMW X infotainment system is faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever, capable of understanding natural voice commands. Say "Hey Mercedes," and you can control almost every function, from navigation to climate settings, without lifting a finger. The 2026 GLC also introduces new comfort-focused features like advanced seat massaging, 4-zone climate control, and even fragrance customization through Mercedes' signature Air Balance package. Rear passengers enjoy increased legroom thanks to the slightly longer wheelbase, making long drives more enjoyable than ever. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a range of electrified powertrains. The standard model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine combined with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering around 280 horsepower and ultra-smooth performance. For those craving more power, the AMG versions push that excitement even further, with up to 416 horsepower from the AMG GLC 43 model. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures precise gear shifts, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system delivers excellent traction in any condition. In terms of technology and safety, the 2026 GLC stands out with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. It even offers a new automated parking system that can park the SUV without driver input. The suspension has been fine-tuned for both comfort and control, ensuring the GLC glides over rough terrain with confidence and stability. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC is a masterpiece of design and innovation, blending luxury, intelligence, and performance in perfect harmony. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience built for those who demand the best from their drive. If you're looking for a modern luxury SUV that delivers on every level, the 2026 GLC is your answer. Stay tuned for more car reviews right here on Autocars Play, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive updates.